Welcome to release question 21 for the California Standards Test for Geometry, those release questions. It says in the figure below, AC is congruent to DF and angle A is congruent to angle D. So let's put that in the picture. Let's put AC is congruent to DF. There we go. And angle A, this one's congruent to angle D down here. Which additional information would be enough to prove that the triangles are congruent to one another? So congruent triangles, you got those 5 things. Again, you got side, angle, side, you got side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, and hypotenuse, leg. So one of these 5 things is going to hold. Doesn't look like it'll be this one because you have one angle and one side. So it's going to be one of these ones. Hypotenuse, leg, we don't have a right triangle necessarily. So one of these 3 is what I'm striving for, what I'm aiming for, what I'm looking at. Which one would make one of these true? So let's figure that out. So I'll use my green now and just do this as additional information. Would this be enough? AB. If AB was congruent to DE, would that be enough to prove that the triangles are congruent? I look at that and I see side, angle, side matching up with side, angle, side. That looks like that one to me right there. So to me it looks like that's the appropriate answer, the correct answer. So choice A would be enough. Choice B, let's check the other ones though and make sure they don't make sense. Make sure we didn't make a silly mistake here. So AB congruent to BC. I'm going to erase that green part there and there and add some new green stuff in here. AB right here, if that's congruent to BC right here, does that match up with this down here at all? Do I know anything about these two compared to these two at all? No, so that one doesn't make any sense. That's not the right choice. Let's check choice C, make sure that doesn't make sense. BC right here is congruent to EF right here. This would be side, side, angle, or if you spelled it the other way, angle, side, side. Think of that for a moment. A, S, oh, okay, no, that doesn't work. It's not a word you should say in your geometry class, and it's not a theorem, and it's nice how that works out. So think, oh, I shouldn't say that word in geometry, and I shouldn't use that as a theorem. Not because that it's spelled like that, but it just doesn't work out like that. There's ways to prove that ASS does not work. Yes, I just spelled that out. That doesn't work, okay? That is not a theorem. So there is no, spell it backwards, there is no side, side, angle. If you spell that the other way, there's no ASS. I know, yes, that is true. So choice D, let's make sure that that's not the right answer. And then we'll be very confident then that A was the right choice. So BC right here, if that was congruent to DE, would that be enough? Well, this is side, side, angle, and this one's side, angle, side. So that doesn't match up with that. That's not going to work out right there. So choice A, it held up. It stayed strong throughout the checking of our other choices. Clearly 21, choice A is going to be the correct choice because of that.